It came in a dream to help better the function of the HR and to innovate the payroll system. After 6 years, there is no sleeping or dreaming for CEO Judah Hirsch as he created Salarium.
Salarium is an end-to-end payroll processing solution. We have HRIS, time, payroll, and a disbursement module as well that manages the payment to our employees.
With a target of 10,000 companies in 3 years, Salarium assures that they are focused on empowering companies to be competitive and prepared for innovative technology.
We do have some room to grow, but we see it growing quite aggressively. We're adding more than a company per day, so we hope to hit this number very soon.
Developing this software is a challenge, but its security and features are just brilliantly efficient. And now, Salarium is about to roll up another version, made by their dedicated developers, version 3.
We actually have, the company's been around for 6 years. We have a new version of the platform that we just released called version 3. That was 2 years of development. So it's a tremendous development effort, all done here in the Philippines. We have an amazing Filipino CTO, amazing Filipino engineering team, and so all of it was designed and built here. That's one of the benefits of having a cloud-based software is we add new features every week. Clients that avail of our software, they get these new features free of charge. They just get rolled out into the cloud software. So we have a roadmap for the next 6 to 12 months. We're always adding new features, always adding new functions based on the needs of the clients. So when clients tell us, hey, we'd like to add something new, we listen and we try to put it in.
As the world leads to innovation, Salarium takes a step further by introducing its new e-wallet system, SalPay, with their partner, Union Bank.
Salarium has the only platform that has a fully integrated disbursement system, which is SalPay. So we're the only one actually offering this kind of solution to companies, where your payroll computation is directly integrated to your disbursement method. That's the biggest difference of Salarium and other software. So rather than dealing with like 3 different systems of time and attendance, then you have a payroll software that is different.
It might sound scary to depend on this system, especially when confronted with hacking and questions to cybersecurity. But that is not a problem because this software is regulated by Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas and maintains a very safe multi-layered security. With over 600 companies under its name, Salarium is the biggest payroll service as software company in the Philippines. The good thing about Salarium is aside from its efficiency, it does not break the bank because it only costs 50 pesos per employee. It promises flexibility, accessibility, and time saving for its clients, that even without physical training, you'll learn the application in a day or 2.
Search, we're an IT engineering company based in just here in Ayala, and we have a main office in Singapore, and we cater to oil and gas companies from all over the globe. So we've been with Salarium for 2 years. I remember prior, when I joined TechSearch, their payroll officer would take 2 days and overtime just to do the payroll in Excel manually. There are instances that we will encounter clerical errors, and then in the next payroll we have to do adjustment just to correct the errors. So it would take additional process and additional time to complete the payroll details.
For growing companies, this is a huge hurdle to face.
Payroll software that would help us solve our problems, especially we're a growing company. We also need the flexibility, accessibility, and the user-friendliness of the software. So with that criteria, we decided to go with Salarium. So after the onboarding process and the training, online training, we don't have physical training, we do the Skype training. Since our boss is based in Singapore, I'm here in Cebu, and then your staff are in Manila, so we do the Skype. So it's that easy to navigate. With just online training, we were able to know how to navigate the software itself.
With automation, Salarium helps companies like TechSearch to minimize workload from 2 days to a whopping 4 hours. This means that Human Resource Department is given more power to do more salient load, hiring potentials and maintaining the powerhouse employee. As Salarium embraces the future, it hopes to help more companies, not just here in Cebu, but also all over the Philippines.
Continue to roll out here in Cebu. As we mentioned, we are hiring, so we're looking for many more people to join our Cebu team. Then we'd like to open a Davao office later this year. And finally, one in the north, maybe Clark area, Pampanga area, so that we can just cater to our clients nationwide. Please come to Salarium, www.salarium.com. Very friendly, helpful staff. I'm sure we'll message you in seconds. You can feel free to book a demo, or we have a weekly webinar where we're happy to show the software to anyone. Check it out. If you're in HR or payroll, you certainly will be impressed with what you see.
For my TV Cebu, this is Liz Caballero.